Friends, I'm Shrikant and let's talk about market based on technicals. This time the market is into corrective phase. Last time we discussed that the market is into strong bullish trend. It has broken the important level of 200 days simple moving average at 5160, 5170. It is trading above the important level of 5200 and the rally was backed by very strong buying of FIs. So currently, after reaching the level of 5600, the market is into corrective phase. It is continuously supporting at 5200, 5170 levels, but net the trend is very strong and it is heading towards the level of 5500, 5600 in next few weeks or maybe few months. But the overall bias is very strong. If we go through with the specific levels, then unless and until the market is not closing below the level of 5200, the market is going to remain into strong hands, and at the same time on the higher side 5550, 5560 will act as a very strong hurdle, and unless and until the market is not crossing this level, we cannot expect market to trade beyond 5650. So for next few weeks we are expecting market to remain range bound between 5200 on the downside and 5550 maximum on the high side. Sector specific also, we have seen a very strong bounce back in banking stocks, in infra stocks, and as well as in FMCG stock. But this time the auto sector remained little bit laggard, or we can say it remains sideways, and I think the overall trend of the interest softening cycle will decide the next course of action, especially for auto, especially for metal. Metal cycle is also looking very strong. In that specifically steel stocks are doing very strong performance, but while looking at the trend of say like cement and FMCG, pharma, they are quite strong. They are continuously managing their lower levels. They are not correcting even in say like a bearish, or we can say corrective phase. So net the broader market is very strong. It is continuously attracting buying at each support levels. Stock specific, if we discuss, then I think out of say like infra pack, we can certainly look for adding IVRCL Infra and Larsen at each support levels, at each major support levels. Out of banking, we are specifically looking at Yes Bank, Axis Bank. They are very strong bet. Even ICICI Bank, but around support levels. Out of PSU banks, State Bank and PNB are the stocks to look for. This time Bank of Baroda, which is newly introduced into Nifty, is also turning a very strong play for next few weeks. Around 800 levels is a very strong bet. And out of say like auto pack, we are always looking for say like Tata Motors, Maruti and Bajaj Auto. But after hitting the level of 300, I think Tata Motors will take some time to again consolidate and then it will recover back. So I think for next few days or few weeks, we can look for especially Bajaj Auto and Maruti from current levels. Out of metal pack, no doubt steel is continuously performing better than the expectations, and in that space JSW Steel, Tata Steel are the strong bets to look for. Hindalco is also continuously supporting at 130 levels, so that is also we cannot say like forget to buy when there is a correction in the market. And out of IT pack, I think Infosys and TCS are always going to remain a very strong bet, but HCL Tech is the stock to look for because continuously it is holding around 470, 480 levels and it is hitting the level of 530. So in my opinion, I think if it breaks 530, then we can expect even 600 plus levels in next few weeks or months. So 530 is the hurdle area, and unless and until the stock is not crossing that, we can look for it to buy around 470 levels. Out of FMCG pack, ITC, Lever both are doing well, but currently they are at their resistance level, so we are not going to call on this particular sector. Net the market is strong. Look for adding long positions on declines, but if there is a trading kind of view, then 5200 is the important key area, and if Nifty closes below this, then we can expect further more lower, and in that case we may even see the levels of 5050, 5080 on the downside. So be careful below 5200 levels is the message from our side. Thank you very much.